I'm Maricamir Mercado, and I'm going to interview 3 people about the present community, their ideal one, and hopes of making their present community into the ideal one. So let's start. My sister Rachel May Mercado, and first question, describe your present community.
So, ang pag-describe nako sa community kay mostly kay kanang hugaw kay ang palibot, baha, nga samok kaayo, murag way atiman sa mga tao. That's all.
So the next question is, what is your ideal community?
My ideal community kay kailangan kay maniligod ka para malimpyo imong palibot nya padili magbaha nya kailangan ka nang sana mag sakto gyud ka paglabay sa basura, like reduce, reuse, recycle, like kanang recycle kay kailangan ka ng mga plastic nimo imo gyud ilahi gyud para magamit pa siya sa lain mga design ba, like kanang mga design sa mga sayaw, mga gamiton gud siya sa mga Christmas tree. That's all.
Last question, do you have hope of making your present community into your ideal one?
Depende sa panahon o sa tao. That's all.
This is Marielle, my cousin, and first one, i-describe mo ang present community.
My present community kay as far as I know bitaw na dili siya peaceful, dili siya walay cleanliness ang mga tao, and kanang nabitaw kanang if the rain naay uwan na kuwan kay dili ma-segregate ang mga basura na ay makosya og baha, makosya flood na ma-cause pod sa mga tao ang kanang dengue o mao na to.
The next one is, describe your ideal community.
Akong ideal community is as a Filipino bitaw, we need to discipline ourselves kanang kuan by cleanliness, and kanang to maintain peaceful sa atong community, like dili ta mag disco sa gabi, kanang dapat exact jud 10 o'clock kay labi tayo mga tao na manabaho pa, like a call center agent na need pa og kanang long jud og sleep. And another one is kanang dapat ang usa ka katawo na Filipino is discipline yourself by segregate trash can, segregate your basura na you need to kanang as unsay malata, unsay dili malata, and to kuan bitaw dili siya ma-cause of flood.
And the last question is, do you have hope of making your present community into your ideal one?
So kuan sa ako is naa jud kay it starts on you man jud to maintain your community strong, and kanang naay cleanliness na magyunay kanang paghiusa sa mga tao na kanang dapat mabuhat nimo ang usa ka butang na peaceful, malimpyada imong palibot, and nara gyud na sa usa ka tawo mag-stand, like ang mayor na stand niya ang iyang pagka-mayor na malimpyo yung ayang komunidad o himong peaceful, and that's all.
That's okay. This is my cousin Jeremiah Ruth. So first question, what is your present community?
My present community is noisy, dirty, and samok.
Okay, next question, what is your ideal community?
My ideal community is peaceful, clean, and beautiful.
Okay, last question, do you have hope of making your present community into your ideal one?
Depende sa tao o sa panahon. Mura.
Okay, I really love how my interviewees answer their question respectively, because with their questions, they are looking for a better future and a better community. That's all. Thank you.